This is my voice when I am speaking in English. Ito ang boses ko pag nagtatagalog ako. Mao ni akong tingog pag Bisaya ko. Hey guys! So at this moment, we are currently taking our video of podcast. But the problem is we have a technical voices background. Madunggan ba siya? Yeah? There are senior citizen here which speaking loudly, and then napoy ga someone nga ga, you know, it's really hard for us right now, but hopefully we'll take it done. Sige na ko yaw. Okay, I think they're done, so we can continue our activity. Hey guys, so this is my voice when I am speaking in English. Ito ang boses ko pag nagtatagalog ako. This is my voice when I am... No, mao ni akong tingog pag gabisaya ko. Okay na? Go. Next.